See if I can get someone over there. Sit for a minute. Actually, oh, there he is. See that? Oh, that's a bass now. Look at him. He's jumping. Let's get him out of that sun. Oh, he's in the sun. You can see the sun on there. But he's a decent bass. Look at this guy. It's a decent bass for this pond. Get him out of that crud. I have to get my little net out here for him. He is a fighter. Look at him. A decent little bass for this pond. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this little guy. I mean, there are some really big bass out here. Look at that. He's not that big if you compare it to my rod. He's about, you know, pretty decent little guy. About 13 inches. Nice little bass. Nice little popper. That's my favorite thing about fly fishing. You don't need a big fly to catch big fish. There's some really nice ones out here, so we're gonna let him go. Bye-bye, buddy. Tell your friends. Sounds like it. There he is. Nice little bass. See him come up. There he is. He's coming in. Ooh, right in the sun. Look at him. A nice little bass here. Get him to come up. There he is. Streaking water. No, I don't want you over there. Turn. I want you to turn. Oh, there he is. See that? Get him to turn back away from that crap over there. Oh, here he is. Ooh, it's not a bass. It's a nice sunny. Look at this guy. He's huge. It's a nice yellow breast. I'm not the best with the names of the fish. I should learn them better. But look at this guy. He's huge. And look at that. That's the size of the sunfish we have here. I mean, look at that hand size. That's what I do love about this pond. Oh, quick release there. They got some big sunfish. The biggest sunfish I've ever caught in my life are here on this pond. Right here at the edge. Here. And mend it. I think mending's not just for the river. You can mend it over. Get stuff out of the way here. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's a small little bass. Look at him. Need to get my line here. He's a little one. I got a lot of group on here. Uh-oh. I think he got off. Man, he did get off. How about that? Alright. He's a little guy. He got off. Alrighty. Let's get this line back out. Now we're going to put it right back over there. Take a few steps into it. I don't like that. I went right there. And the edge. Man, my hook is sharp. Myself. Come on, now you're home. Oh, he's a small one. He's a small little bass. You can use this guy for bait some other day. Look at this guy. He's tiny. This little guy. He's so tiny. Here he is. Look at this. Tiny little bass, which is great. You know, they stocked this pond a while back, like a couple years ago, I was told. As you can see, it's a good little fishery here. I'll let you go, buddy. Oh, got it. Look at him go. And that's a sunny. Did you see the size of him when he jumped? And look at this guy. He is big. Oh, he's in the weeds. Oh, he's in the weeds. Come on, buddy. Oh, crap. He's stuck in the weeds. I don't want to lose this lure. I mean, his rod, fly. I'm really gonna have to go chase this guy down. Oh, he came. Oh, it's a bass. Whoa, there he is. Look at it. I thought he was a little sunny. Come here. Check out my net. Oh, no, no. It's a decent little bass. Looked like a sunny the way he hit it. Get my little thingies out. Here we go. Alrighty. Let this guy go. Alright, buddy. Here we go. See ya. Say your buddies. There he goes. He's out of here. Maybe. Alright. Now get a little bit deeper. No, being 5'5". Short. Other friend's like 6 foot tall. Let's move a little bit. There's lots of ripples when I move. Here we go. Come on, buddy. Be home. Oh, there's a small one. He barely hit that too. He just came up and kissed it. Now that is going to be a sunny. Yeah, he's definitely a sunny. The way he's moving, he's all over the place. A sunny roundabout where they just go round and round. Look at this guy. He's big. He's a nice sized one. Not as big as my other one. But he's still a pretty fish. I really should learn the names. I think they're called red bellies. I need to go back and get my education on sunfish. Hope he didn't mess up that. Alright, he's on his way out, and ooh. That'll work, I guess. I'll roll with it. Oh, look at that. Rolling with it works. That's a nice little, it's actually a decent bass. Friggin' jump. There he goes. Look at that. That guy's big. Definitely glad I brought my net. Here he is. Get him up. Come on, buddy. Don't go left here. He's coming at me now. There we go. Oh, look at him run. He's going. He has somewhere to go, apparently. And a little bit of line. Come on. Oh, whoa, he's going. I don't know if I want to get him on my reel or not. Maybe. Uh-oh. Oh, he's going. Maybe I can get him in. Oh, here he comes. He's coming up to me. Turn. Turn, baby, turn. He's coming. There you go. Come on, buddy. Get on my reel for a little bit. He is a fighter. It's a decent little size for my fly rod here. Uh-oh. Here we go. Look at this guy. He's big. I hope he don't take off again. Let's get him in the net. Oh, look at this guy. He's big. This is the big one. Look at this guy. He's taking up a lot of my net space here. Let me get him on my net. Look at that. This guy's nice. Nice old bass. Nope, you're fine. I'm going to let you go in a minute. Get this hook out of you. Look at this guy. He's a big old guy. Look at that. Look at that shallow. Let's get him in the light so we can see him. Look at him. He's nice. It's a nice bass. I'm hook him up to my fly rod. Well, one fly rod, I should put how big they are. Look at that. It's at least a 2-pounder. Nice bass. Alright, buddy. I'll make sure I get a better shot letting this guy go. I'm going to take this camera on. Camera down here. Here's a nice one. I'm going to study it so I can get a picture of it for later. So I can get that out of the way. Below that. Big old. Alright, buddy. Time for you to get going. See ya. How your buddy's doing? Let you go. Right, there he goes. He's off. Wow. That was a nice bass. I had to get him on my reel for a minute. And he was like, alright, I'm done. But yeah, that's what I like to get. Those guys. It's about the time. You know, it's a golden hour with the sun like that. So let's see if we can get another one. Big old monster. Oh, there's another one. Smaller. He's a lot smaller. Look at him. He's pretty. Yeah. So that guy compared to the other one, no contest. But yeah, top water. There he goes. Oh, got me in the face. Splashed up on me. I'm gonna try right about there. Oh shit! He nailed it. Get out of there. Get out of there. Man, he nailed that thing. You see him hit it? He's off to the races too. Look at this. There he is. Come on, come up. Get this guy in the net. Look at this guy. He's big enough. Look at this. Damn. He's the biggest sunfish I've ever caught, looks like. He's huge. Look at my net. Look at this guy. This guy's huge. He just got my net. Look at him. And he nailed it. Come on, buddy. Get in there. Look at this guy. Wow. Red ear. I don't know what this guy is. Look at the size of him. Look at this thing. He's big. Big old sunny. I was saying, they have ginormous sunfish in here. There's a lot of people that's bass fish here. They don't catch the sunnies. As you can see, they eating good. Let me get this hook out here. Find it. Get this hook out. Here we go. Yeah, look at this guy. He is huge. Definitely want to take the camera off to let this guy go. Check him out. Look at this guy. Big old guy. Alright, thanks. Pretty. Let you go there. Enormous. He nailed that top water the minute it hit. So yeah. Uh-oh. My favorite flies. Don't want to lose it. So I keep my line marked. There he is. Keep my line marked where, how far it is. Looks like it's sunny fish day. They're fun though. Look at this guy. He's pretty decent. Bigger than the other guy. But yeah, I'm gonna salute these guys. Nice sunfish here. Get a little bit darker out. See ya, buddy. I'm gonna get back over here. So I'm kind of going a little bit fast. There he is. Small little sunny. It's a sunny. Nope, that's a bass. Thought he was a sunny. Oh, there he goes. Oh, now he's fighting. He's pretty. Look at him. Come on, buddy. He's got some fight to him now. Oh yeah, now he's in the open water. He's like, see ya. On my way. Look at that. Wow. He's a lively one. He's just going. Get him up here. So I got like 8-pound, leader at the end. It's not like leader, it's spider wire is my favorite. Only thing I use. I don't use tippet. So I don't want to lose this guy, so I'm gonna grab my net, maybe. Maybe. Oh, here he is. Right here. Look at that guy. Here we go. I got some light on him. Decent little bass. I mean, they're not huge, but they're pretty good for this place. Alright, there's a lot of light here. Should be good for doing a little bit of video in here. As you saw, it's a favorite pond. There's bass in there and some unbelievable big sunfish. A lot of fun. But yeah, these are 3-weight. 3-weight glass fly rod. I build custom fly rods and it's my favorite. So yeah, another really fun day of fishing. I'll be camping here soon. Next week I'll do some more camping, outdoor, stealth camping. Well, I just had to get back on the water. This is like another big passion in fly fishing for years. So y'all take care and love you, Mike.